Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription video, and today we are looking at one of my favourite guitar players ever, Mr. Eric Johnson. Now this is a classic clip, an iconic clip taken from Eric's Total Electric Guitar video, running the risk of copyright strikes on YouTube by using hot licks content, but this is transformative, right? This is educational. This is a great video. Of course it's a great video. There's two of these, the Total Electric Guitar and the Fine Art of Electric Guitar. Both worth watching because, you know, Eric is a madman when it comes to how meticulous he is about tone and his sound. He has always been a big influence on me, even more so as I've grown older. In fact, I'm sitting here and you can see this Strat here. This is an Eric Johnson 54 Virginia Strat. I love Eric's playing. I love his tone. I love his lines. He's instantly recognizable, and this clip is a great example of why. In terms of music to go and check out, everybody's going to say go and check out Avia Musicom because it features the iconic track Cliffs of Dover, but I would be more inclined to send you towards Venus Isle. I really like the record Venus Isle. I think there's lots of great playing on that album, and I think I like the production a little bit more. So yeah, Eric is a terrifying player, and I think the thing you should pay attention to when listening to this video is just how wonderful his two tones are. He has his clean tone, he has his overdriven tone, and he's switching between them quite a lot. It's an iconic clean tone, and his lead tone is to die for. I would do anything to have any of my overdriven tones sound like Eric's, because again, just instantly recognizable. It's such a great tone. So Eric Johnson, one of the all-time great electric guitar players. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you for another one tomorrow. Hit that share button, help me out. Go on, do it.
Hi, my name is Eric Johnson. I'd like to